the challenge for the watch industry is to be even more creative, even more innovative, surprising. I think there is still a lot of space for beautiful watches showing a great amount of craftsmanship.
With this technology, you can augment the touch, and craftsman with the haptic interface can be able to touch with what is usually not palpable, the very hot, the very fragile, the very small.
We are a really innovative and really contemporary and modern and dynamic industry, and it's why we wanted to show that and also to attract new talents.
In the future, I see the industry continue to grow and not only conquer new territories, selling a lot in Asia, for instance, but also in Western Europe, in the Western world, and in the rest of the world.
I'd like to be part of a dynasty of watchmakers who, pass on the tradition